Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's take a look at a few of these indexes on their open range breakout, just for comparison's sake, to see which one you might want to focus on. Now, if you watched yesterday's video, you already know which one I'm going to pick because it is one of my favorite things to trade. But let's start here with the Dow futures. This is a 2-minute time frame. All right, so right out of the gate, we were all about the wicks. Up in here, like huge wick up. Okay, nope, fell back down into here, ended up red on that candle, then pushed way lower, mostly wick on that candle, also red. Then, shot up here, wick, ended way down here. Okay. Pushed even lower, like yet another jab down, now lower than this first one. Okay, cool. But then ended up green way back up here, pushed higher, then lower again, then higher, then I mean, look at all these wicks on this thing. Like, this is crazy. So, not my favorite way to play the morning, especially with this. Like, a whole lot of indecision, pure doji, and oh, then we're going to give you a really nice push up. But nope, no sustainability, no follow through. We're going to fall right back in. And really, like, we didn't get out of this mess for, as you can see, like pretty much most of the day. So, yuck. All right, next up, this one is the NASDAQ, again on a 2-minute time frame. And you can see here that it was a whole lot, again, of just up, down, way down, up, lots of wick, up, down, way too jabby for me, way too much wick for my taste. Now, granted, we had gapped up a ton over the weekend and we're just kept going higher, but it was really, really choppy to do so. So, yes, overall, the longs are the way to go, but man, that was brutal, especially here at the beginning. Now, for something a little bit calmer, let's take a look at the Russell. This one was pretty wild this morning as well because this huge red candle was the open range breakout. So I don't want to say that like this is perfect and it was so easy and whatever because that's not the case. Anytime we have a huge move like that on the exact open, I'm like, man, what are we going to do now? Because it moves so much and then it just gets a little hesitant after that. That being said, though, at least we had some candles with some shorter wicks, not like total craziness. We did enter into the chop here, but like decent move down. That would have been if you were already short from before the open or if you don't wait the 2 minutes for the open range breakout. But then this was actually like a decent move all the way to the top. Nice V bottom there on the 2-minute time frame. Fell back down. Like I said, we did enter the chop here, but from that point forward, we really actually went in a direction. Now, not with huge momentum, not perfectly, but like this whole section, we are working our way down. Tried to recover a little bit. You can see we made it right to that 2-minute cloud, fell back down from there, and continued to make new lows. And then, as is typical, we just kind of leveled out for the rest of the day. In my experience, in my opinion, the Russell is a way easier ride than some of these other guys. So if you're struggling, you might want to check it out. You also might want to check out our webinar tomorrow night. Vicky Kelly and I will be live. We'll be talking about her morning method, which simplifies what you are looking to do on your charts. She has created this system over decades of trading experience, and she has a ton of great testimonials from her students. We'll be sharing all of this with you tomorrow night. That's Tuesday night. There's a link down below if you'd like to join us. Just need your name and email address to sign up. We'll send you the info, and then we'll see you tomorrow night. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.